Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial series. I'm Lambert. In today's video, I will talk about how to configure safe and reliable disk mounting using FSTab on Linux, especially when all focus on best practice for safe boot, mounting with UUID and no fail option. By the end of the video, you all be able to configure storage mount in a way that is both stable and production safe. Let's get started. Username is root. Password. Open your terminal. Remember, you need prepare the LVN before the tutorial series. Okay. Type command lsblk. This. The LVN is right. Okay. Now you have two hard disk. It's SDA and SDB. And SDB. Okay. Now, you how to know the UUID? Type command is the blkid slash this. Okay. Data dv slash data vg slash data lv. Okay. This is UUID. Now, copy. Okay. Bin slash etc fstable fstab this. Okay. Paste your UUID. Okay. Press escape and colon WQ. Okay, now reboot. Wait a minute. Your system, if you success mount the data file. Okay, system is normal. Okay. Again, username, root. Password. Okay. Open the terminal. Type command lsblk. Okay. Now, SDB is mount the data. Okay. Data file. Okay. Now. Bin. If your UUID is wrong, the system cannot open the normal. If this bin etc fstab. Now delete the UUID. Can what happen? Okay. Colon WQ. Okay. The UUID is wrong. Reboot. Okay, wait a minute. What happened? You cannot open your RAID system. So you need to avoid the problem. Okay. The system is normal. Okay. Close. Now, back. Okay. Back. The time. Okay. Okay. Open again. Now, to try again. Okay, username is root, password. Okay, open the terminal. Okay, type command lsblk. Okay, now it's normal. Okay, type command again is blkid / list. Okay, dv / datavg / datalv. Okay, there, copy. This write UID. Okay, bin type command bin etc fstab. Now this paste the right UID. Okay, now need a voice. Your system is normal, is broken, so you need to copy this. Copy this, paste. Okay, colon WQ. Okay, again. Okay, now if your UUID is wrong, what happened? Delete something your UUID. Okay, because you have normal X-stage system. So what happened? Okay, colon WQ, reboot. Okay, your system is normal. Can log in, username root, password. Open the terminal. lsblk. Okay, now this is the HTTP is not mount the data file. So bin / etc fstab. No, okay. This can advise your system is normal. Okay, now okay, type the command again, blkid / dv / datavg / datalv. Okay, copy the right UID. Okay, copy. Okay, bin / etc fstab. Okay, paste. Okay, colon WQ, reboot. Okay, great job. You have just learned how to configure safe boot mounting in a FSTAB using UID, no fail, and a systemd timeout option. So that practice are especially important in production and enterprise environment, where a simple FS table mistake can cause serious downtimes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorial series. I'm Lambert. See you next time.